Hi everyone, in this video we're continuing with matrices. In this video we're going to look at multiplication of a matrix by a real number, or also known as the multiplication of a matrix by a scalar multiple. So what is a scalar multiple really? So here we have a number 1 here, we have matrix n, which is 5, 2, 1, 0, and we want to find 2n. Now that 2, this 2 there is called the scalar multiple, right? Or the real number. So really, we want to find 2 times n, right? So essentially that's 2 times the matrix n, which is 5, 2, 1, 0. So all you must do when you want to multiply a number by a matrix, you just take that number and multiply each entry inside of the matrix, or each number inside the matrix by the number on the outside. So basically 2 by 5, and I'll work it out right one time, 10, and then 2 by 2, which is 4, then the 2 by the 1, 2, and then 2 by 0, 0. You could write it out like this. I wrote it out here, 2 by 5, 2 by 2, 2 by 1, 2 by 0 to get your final answer here, right? You don't need to do this part. If you could just work it out in your head to get the final answer, that's perfectly fine, right? So let's look at some more examples. Here we have number 2. We have matrix M and we want to find 8m. That should be 8m. Right? So now, all this should be m. My bad. So now, m is 1 minus 2, 5. We want to find 8m, which is 8 times matrix m, 1 minus 2, 5. Again, you're just taking that 8 and you multiply by each number, right? So 8 by 1 is 8. 8 by negative 2 give me negative 16. 8 by 5, which is 40. And again, on this side here is where I would have to put in the 8 times for each number, right? But you can go out to the final answer, as I said before. Alright, so let's look at a couple more. So let's look at number 3. Number 3, we have matrix B, and we want to find 5b. So 5 times b, right? Again, it's 5 by each number inside, right? So 5 by minus, so 5 times minus 3, 1, 6, minus 4. So I'll do it one time here. 5 by minus 3 is minus 15. 5 by 6 is 30. 5 by 1, 5. 5 by minus 4, minus 20. Right? And then you get your answer. That's the final answer. And then the last one here that we're looking at, we want to find, you are given matrix A and we are given matrix B. We want to find A plus 2B. So A plus 2B, first we need to find out what 2B is. We know what B is, so let's find what 2B is. So that's 2 times matrix B. So 2 by 0 is 0. 2 by 8, 16. 2 by 3, you get the 6. And then 2 by minus 4, you get minus 8. So you just multiply each number by the 2, right? So now that we have what 2b is, we could go ahead and we could work out what A plus 2b is. So here I have matrix A plus the 2b coming down to the end here. So let's work out that. So this is A plus 2b here. I remember how to do addition, right? 2 plus 0, and then 2 plus 0, and then 1 plus 16, right? And then in the bottom, 3 plus 6, and then minus 5 plus minus 8, which we have here, right? Remember, plus and a minus gives me a minus. This is really minus 5 minus 8, which gives me minus 13. And the rest of numbers are simple or positive, 2, 17, and 9, right? So it's not hard to do this. So let's look at some more questions like these. As always, you could pause the video, try the questions, and press play when you're ready for the answer. So let's look at number 1. We have matrix A. We want to find 3A for part A. So that's 3 times A. So that's 3 by 3, 2, 6, 4. right? So 3 by 3 is 9, 3 by 16 is 18, 3 by 2 is 6, and then 3 by 4 is 12. And that's the answer for A. And let's go for at B. So that's 5 by A. So 5 by 3, 2, 6, 4. Again, 5 by 3, we get 15. 5 by 6, we get 30. 5 by 2, 10. And then 5 by 4, 20. So far, so good. All right, so now number 2. So we have part A, number 2. We want to find a half B, right? So that's a half by matrix B, which is 10, 24. So again, a half times 10 or half of 10 is 5. And a half by 24 or half of 24 is 12. And that's the answer there. And then for part B, 2B, that's 2 by 10, 24. So 2 times 10 is 20. And then 2 times 24 is 48. So far, so good again. Let's look at number 3, which I believe is the last one, yes. So number 3, we have matrix C and matrix E. So let's do A first. 3C plus E. Let's find 3C first. 3C would be 3 by minus 2, 1, 1, 5. So 3C would be 3 by minus 2, minus 6. 3 by 1, 3. 3 by 1 again, 3. 3 by 5 is 15. So that's 3C. So now we want to work out 3C plus E. So that would be 3C, which is 6 minus 6, 3. 3, 15. Plus E, which is 1, 1, 3, 4. And now we're just going to work out that piece there, that last piece there. So now, again, a simple addition. So minus 6 plus the first number here, the 1. Then 3 plus 1. Now the bottom now. 3 plus 3. And then 15 plus 4. And our final answer, minus 6 plus 1, we get minus 5, 4, 6, and 19. So this here is our final answer. And now we want to work out what minus 2C is for part B. Minus 2C. So that's minus 2 by minus 2, 1, 1, 5. Not the meter, sorry. So minus 2 by minus 2 is positive 4. Minus 2 by 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 by 1 again, minus by 5 is minus 10. And that is our final answer there. So this is actually pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Again, review the video if you need to and pause the questions when we start doing the questions, and you can try it and then play for the answers.